Okay, guys, welcome back. Now, a rite of passage and staple for Christmas Eve here in Jamaica is, yes, you're correct, Grand Market. We have our very own here inside this studio. I'm about to show you how to explore the offerings, grab everything on the list, and you'll see just how much holiday shopping can be crammed in a few fast-paced minutes inside this bag. And to this sound, learn the sound. Ding, ding. Okay, good. All right. So, anyways, let's get started. Ready? Okay. Over here, we have the folks at
That.
Tavi, hi. How you doing?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Tell me about it. I see a whole heap of different things here. I see the cup. There's some familiar faces on this. So they're proverbs,
Yes.
right? Okay.
Right.
Tell me about the business.
So this is Tavi's Tag That. I'm Tavia. I'm Tag. He's the Dat in the Tag That. So we bring Jamaican proverbs to life through imagery.
Hi, Dat.
What's up, baby?
We bring Jamaican proverbs to life through imagery. So we think of the proverb and we use the image to bring it to life.
Got it.
But we also put the meaning. So even if you don't understand what the proverb is saying, the explanation is there.
Right.
So anybody can look at the proverb and just get an understanding and can relate to it because the explanation is right there.
Okay, so the cups that you have here are for hot beverages, cold beverages.
Yes, we have an assortment of items here. We have hats, we have teacups, we have tumblers which are insulated. So you can have your hot beverage for like 5-6 hours, cold beverage for all day. We have our mason jars, we have totes.
Okay.
We also do sweatshirts, t-shirts, and hoodies.
Nice. Where are you located?
Yes. We are located online. We're online based, but you can also find us in Fontana and IOJ.
Okay.
Yes, our Instagram is at tagthat22, or you can WhatsApp or call me at 513-8229.
Tav, I'm confused. Everything looks so good. You have to tell me, right? What would you recommend to somebody who is going to be traveling and they want to carry something Jamaican, very Jamaican,
Oh, wow.
to the people that they're going to?
Oh,
what would you
wow.
recommend?
There's so many options.
Yes.
But one of the favorites, or two of the favorites, you have this one.
Yes.
Scornful dog, nyam dirty pudding.
Scornful dog, nyam dirty pudding. All right, the time is up and this is what I'm moving with. Thank you so much. Tag that. Love that. Okay, I'm over here. Ladies and gentlemen, in the room, she flew in from foreign. Rihanna is in the building. Hi, my darling.
Hi,
How you doing? What's the name of the business?
So we're Naturalista Dreams Cosmetics JA.
Okay.
Yes, and we're an all-natural, organic, vegan skin, hair, and cosmetic line.
Skin, hair, cosmetics line.
Right.
Okay, wow. How long you been open for?
So we've been open for 6 years, right? And we do body oils right here, and we do our growth oils, beard oils, body butters, serums, facial bars. We also do our facial washes and our lip glosses.
Love that. What was the best seller this year for you?
So the best sellers, I would say, are our hair growth oils and our body oils.
Nice.
And even the body butters as well.
Love that. Where are you
So,
located?
We are located at Lily's Beauty Barn, and you can find us also at Sugar Lifestyle Pop-Ups.
Love that. All right, come, let me smell it so I know it's
Right.
real. Come,
So this
rub it
is
on me. Okay, what is this one now?
This is our Pecan Noir, and this is one of our new fragrances for the Christmas. And as you can see, it gives you that sheen.
She's saying my hand was dry, guys.
No.
That's what she's saying. My hand was dry and she saved it. Okay.
No, but it is non-greasy and non-transferable as well.
Ooh, smell this Tava sharing it. Oh my
Ooh, that's
God, that
yummy.
smells so good.
So if you're looking for something for the Christmas time, something that makes you feel edible
Yes.
as well as smell good. Yeah.
What you saying, Riri? Come on, talk that
This is the oil
talk.
for you, and then I'm also
Okay.
gonna let you quickly smell.
Let me smell it.
Spice it up now. So if you like pumpkin spice, that's definitely for
This
you.
smell like you have a touch of
I love
scotch
that one.
inside there as
Yes.
well. It smells very Jamaican. I love that. Can people buy online as well?
Most definitely. So you can contact us at Naturalista Dreams.
Okay.
So Naturalista.
I can't get 30 seconds more with her. She said, okay, fine. I'm going to go away with this one. This
Alright,
is
no
so nice.
problem. Yes.
Body butter birthday cake. It
Yes.
smells like you just said happy birthday.
Most
It smells so
definitely.
good. Okay, I have the lady with the jewelry in the house, guys. All handmade. Hi, Steph.
Hi, Debbie.
How you doing?
I'm not bad.
What's the name of the business?
Latig.
Latig, guys. You better say it like that. Latig. Okay.
You have to say it like that.
How long have you been in business for?
Only 2 years.
Really? And you're doing this kind of work?
Yes, imagining in 10 years how it's going to look like.
Oh my gosh. Okay, where are you located, first of all?
Portland. I
Portland.
have a little boutique in Port Antonio.
Nice. Well, people can order it anywhere in the world?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Jamaica being my focus.
Okay, love that. All right, tell us about the pieces that you have. I mean, we're seeing them. We're seeing some necklaces. These are all signature pieces, though.
Yes, most of my designs are one of a kind. Also, this is one of a kind. There is only one. This as well. Then I have a few that are more series. And one example is my Jamaica strong bracelet, which I created after Hurricane Melissa as a fundraising initiative.
Love that.
So I give a small donation to Food for the Poor for each purchase.
Really?
Yes, so this is very special to me. Yeah, most of my pieces are very unique and inspired by the tropics.
Nice, nice. What are people asking for at this time of the year from you?
You know, year round, it's earrings. People love earrings, so I have a lot of them, but I really enjoy having a bigger canvas, like necklaces.
Yeah.
Like this is way more interesting for me to work on.
Statement.
But statement,
Yeah.
big things. But earrings are what people go for.
Okay, hold on. Let me grab something.
I think you need to grab the bracelet.
No, I think I need to grab the bracelet
And
too. This
it
is so
matches
lovely.
your outfit.
Thank you so much. This is so nice. Guys, it's so pretty. Oh gosh, I don't have 30 more seconds. Thank you so much, Steph. I appreciate that. Chloe,
Hi.
the lady with the plants.
Yes.
Hello, my darling. How you
Hi.
do?
I'm good, thank
Okay.
you.
The name of the business is?
Chloe's House of Plants.
How many plants you have in your house, Chloe?
Oh boy,
I feel like you're out of walking space.
I
Seriously.
am out of space. I am.
Tell us about the variety of plants that you have, though. I'm seeing snake plants, I'm seeing cactus, seeing all kind of things I don't know the name of, but tell me.
Yes, you're seeing the pink princess, right? And you're seeing the syngonium. And this is a new one on the market. This is a syngonium tricolor galaxy.
Syngonium tricolor galaxy.
And, right,
Okay.
and this one is new on the market.
Okay. All right, tell me something though. For persons who, plants, being a plant lover is something new for them. So they don't necessarily understand how to go about caring for the plant. They want a plant that's low maintenance. What would you recommend for them?
Definitely the snake plant, the Chinese evergreen.
Yeah.
And of course, you can't miss with the cactus.
I was thinking about the cactus for Landia. I think I should get
can't miss with the cactus.
I should get her a cactus for sure. Okay, but at this time of the year though, are people looking to plants? I think it's a wonderful gift though,
It is an absolutely amazing gift.
I think so too.
It is.
Yeah.
Because plants are beautiful. They're therapeutic. They enhance your space, your garden, and they are the perfect gift for any occasion. Yes,
Yeah.
it's the festive season, but Chloe's House of Plants is
Yes.
for all season.
Hold on, can I just ask her about the container? I'm actually out of time. Can I ask her quickly the containers? Because you
Yes,
make it as well,
they
right?
are handmade,
Yeah.
all done by me.
So
They're
all
handmade.
of everything
The
here.
concrete pots,
Yeah.
yes, they're handmade.
Oh my gosh. Okay, you're located where?
Online, I'm online based, and I can be reached at Chloe's_House of Plants.
Okay, awesome. Thank you guys so much. Which one are you going to give to me now? Which one are you going to give me?
I am going to give you this
Oh
one
my
because it has a touch of red
gosh.
and green that complements you.
You don't say want me to ball inside there, honestly, you just want me to ball, right?
It match your outfit, your lip, it's going.
And it matches the verse that I just got from
Everything.
Steph, right?
Everything.
It matches the scent from Rihanna. And it matches my tumbler. It matches this. I mean, guys, thank you so much for being here. Congratulations on your businesses.
Thank
Have
you.
a happy holidays. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you for
Big
having us.
thanks to all the vendors here on set for coming to our grand market, guys. This was really good. Nobody don't ask me for anything, please. Okay, it's in my bag. More to come right after the break. But hear what? We have greetings from across the world. Look at this.